my magnificent beauties, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make mango oil. Yes guys, all you need is a fresh ripe mango and you start prep. So this is how to prep. You cut and get out the flesh. All we need is the flesh, a puree of the flesh of this mango. So you cut out the flesh. You can blend, but if you want to blend, make sure you blend without adding water. We don't need water. This is juicy enough. You don't need water to blend, or you just heat it to get out the juice. Yes guys, so while we prep, I'm going to run through the benefits of mango oil on your skin. What you stand to gain when you apply this oil on your skin, in your skincare products, or add it to your skincare routine. Yes guys, mango is loaded with the antioxidant called magiferin that may help protect your body from cellular damage. It is also a great source of vitamin E, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Excellent source. And it has so many skin benefits. I'm going to run into it. Yes, here we are trying to beat it into a puree. Yes, guys. Don't mind me, guys. Benefits. One, it may reduce signs of sun damage. It acts as a sunblock. Yes, but it doesn't replace the use of your sunscreen. Yeah, it supports collagen formation. The vitamin C in this fruit supports and helps the formation of collagen in your skin. So it also reduces signs of aging, that is anti-aging. It may reduce the risk of sun cancer, breast cancer when you apply it, even when you eat it. When you eat the fresh fruits, it also helps against colon cancer and cervical cancer. I don't want to go about on and rave about the benefits of eating it. Is I just want to talk about the benefits when you apply it to your skin, guys. So here I have my coconut oil in my pan, and I'm going to add the puree into my pan. Yes, it doesn't have to be hot. The oil doesn't have to be hot. You can use almond oil, any light oil will do. Sunflower oil also will do. So what I do here is incorporate, mix it thoroughly into the oil. Yes, mix it in. If you blend it, is better. So you mix it into the oil very well, and on a low heat, just allow it to simmer so that it gradually brings out the goodness and all the antioxidant and all this goodness into the oil, guys. Yes guys, it brightens the skin, it removes dark spots and gives you a healthy glow. This oil hydrates your skin, it moisturizes your skin very well, and it also prevents and reduces acne outbreak. Wow. So this is it. After it starts heating up, just allow it on low heat to start cooking gradually. Just it's going to take some time, but just allow it to extract its goodness into the oil. So you have to be patient and wait, but while you wait, keep stirring it. Yeah, it doesn't get burned from under really, so you can just leave it and allow it to extract its goodness into the oil. And guys, once it's done, this is what we are going to get. It gets brown but not burnt. You don't leave it until it gets that burnt. You see that juiciness, you need to let it dry a bit, but don't let it get burnt. Yes guys, so that you can remove oils. If you just store it without allowing it to get dry and remove any form of water in the in the juice or the flesh of the mango, it's going to, over time, is going to breed bacteria into your oil, which you will not want. So just allow it to get dry a little, not burnt like I said. Yes guys, so this is it. Once it is this dry, you have to take out, yes, take out those dry, I won't call it waste. Take them out and yeah, sieve them, sieve the oil out. The oil is what we need. You see that goodness? Yes, you sieve it out properly. You can do that twice. You can use a cheesecloth, but I do not have it readily at hand, so I used a clean handkerchief. Yes, so it's time to turn our oil into a container, a clean, fresh container. Yeah, and after that, this is our oil. You see that goodness in the oil? Very fresh, very good. You can mix it into your soap, into your cream. Yeah, you can apply it on your skin like that as well. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. I love and celebrate you.